हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू सुप्रीम स्टेनो क्लासेस। और आज मैं डिक्टेशन देने जा रहा हूँ स्पेशली फॉर एसएससी, एएसआईसी, एफडब्ल्यूएसआई वगैरह जो स्किल टेस्ट आ रहे हैं उसके हिसाब से देने जा रहा हूँ। और जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं कि अब जो जनरली जो डिक्टेशंस आ रहे हैं वो या तो ऐसे टाइप आ रहे हैं या किसी भी साइंस के चैप्टर से आ जा रहे हैं या सोशल साइंस के चैप्टर से आ जा रहे हैं। तो कुछ वैसा ही डिक्टेशन देने जा रहा हूँ ताकि आपको मोस्ट रिलेवेंट लगे अकॉर्डिंग टू एग्ज़ाम और आप एग्ज़ाम में अच्छे से अपना बेस्ट दे पाओ। सो बी रेडी गाइस। 5 सेकेंड। Diversity, one of the buzzwords of the early 21st century, has become a concept that has multiple meanings to different groups of people. Although dictionaries usually define diversity by using terms like variety, difference, or dissimilarity, social scientists usually talk about diversity in at least four different ways. First, counting diversity refers to empirical enumerating differences within a given population. Using this definition, social scientists take a particular population and simply count the members according to a specific criteria, often including race, gender, and ethnicity. In addition, it is possible to take a particular unit within a society like a school, workplace, or government and compare its race, ethnic, or gender distribution to that of the general population. Often suspicious questions are raised the farther the diversity of a subunit differs from that of the larger population. Second, culture diversity refers to the importance of understanding and appreciating the cultural differences between race, ethnic, and gender groups. Since members of one culture often view others in relationship to their own standards, social scientists using the culture diversity definition would urge that it is important to show that differences do not have to be evaluated along a good, bad, or moral, immoral scale. With greater tolerance and understanding, the argument goes different cultural groups can coexist with one another in the same society. Third, good for business diversity refers to the belief that businesses will be more profitable and government agencies and not for profit corporations will be more efficient with diverse labor forces. According to this approach, members of particular cultural groups are more effective than non-group members in dealing with their own groups. So it is in the interests of organizations to diversify workers and managers. Conflict diversity refers to understanding how different groups exist in a hierarchy of inequality in terms of power, privilege, and wealth. According to this definition, dominant group oppress subordinate groups in many societies, and it is important for social scientists to understand the nature of this oppression in order to help attain a more egalitarian society. In the real world, above mentioned approaches often overlap. However, people using different approaches often ask different types of questions. A social scientist with a counting diversity perspective might compare the Black and Hispanic distribution in the police department with the distribution in the city. Typically, blacks and Hispanics would be underrepresented in the police department and even more highly underrepresented at the upper levels of the department. A cultural diversity scholar, on the other hand, would be more concerned with how the police understand the Black and Hispanic communities, since this also affects their actions. Do the prominently white police interrupt certain types of speech and clothing as threatening when it is simply part of the Black and Hispanic subculture? Do they act in ways that inadvertently disrespect members of the community, thus causing even more tension? Being more sensitive to Black and Hispanic cultural values might make the job of the police easier. The good for business perspective would urge that the police would be more effective if they had more Black and Hispanic officers who would be more likely to be familiar with the culture of those communities. In addition, members of the community might not be so hostile if the police were seen as some of their own. Finally, culture conflict social scientists would urge that the police represent the interests of the dominant group, wealthy white men in business and politics. The police represent the property rights of the dominant group and enforce the laws that they have enacted. Black and Hispanic police officers enforce the same unfair laws as their white colleagues, although they may do it more humanely. The goal is not just to have a more representative and culturally sensitive police force. The goal is to change the laws in order to have a more equitable society. Concerns about diversity, however it is defined, also intersect with policies like affirmative action. Employment based affirmative action is based on comparing the racial distribution of employees in a given place with the racial distribution of the pool of workers who are qualified for a specific job. This is counting diversity. In the United States, employers with $50,000 in federal contracts and 50 or more employees are required to make a good faith effort to achieve a representative labor force, that is, they must try. Formal hiring quotas, where employers are legally obligated to hire a certain percentage of underrepresented workers are more difficult to justify. In India, on the other hand, these hiring quotas are used much more extensively. In higher education, both counting diversity and a version of culture diversity are involved. According to the 2003 Garter and Gratz decisions of the US Supreme Court, affirmative action in college admissions is constitutional because it is in the educational interests of all students to be exposed to a diversity of views on campus. Stop. सो गाइज, ये डिक्टेशन था। मैं डिफरेंट डिफरेंट प्रकार का डिक्टेशंस दे रहा हूँ। यदि आपको इस तरीके के डिक्टेशंस पसंद आ रहे हों तो आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, और यदि कमेंट कोई भी आपकी क्यूरीज है तो कमेंट कीजिए। और मैं यही कोशिश कर रहा हूँ कि वर्ड्स, हालांकि इसके बहुत ईजी हैं डिक्टेशंस के, हो सकता है कि थोड़ा सा फ्लो में आप लोग को डिफ़िकल्टीज हो, चूँकि एक नए तरीके का मैटर है, लेकिन वर्ड्स काफ़ी इजी हैं, तो होप सो आपकी एरर भी कम रहेगी और इसी तरीके के मैटर आने की भी चांसेस आजकल ज़्यादा हैं स्किल में। तो इसके लिए प्रिपेयर्ड रहिए, प्रैक्टिस कीजिए जितना ज़्यादा